This is the DURATECH tube flaring kit for copper, aluminum, and brass tubing. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrives safely, all packed up in a nice looking box. And inside the package, you are going to get the flaring tool, the flaring bar with 7 different dies, and obviously this compact hard plastic storage case that it comes in. Pretty nice. The tool is crafted from steel with wear-resistant coating, and it features the Eccentric cone design for the 45-degree flare. It's got a clutch mechanism built in for a quick release, and I'll show you that. The 7 dies are sized for tubing from 3/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch, which lets you work with various sizes of copper, aluminum, and brass tubing. Inside the flaring bar, in each of the sizes, you get lines cut in to grip the tube. Feels really smooth. So you're going to back the tool all the way out. You're going to open up the clamp. You get your tube fit in there. This clamp has a little nub on the end that's going to fit into these indentions. And you're going to slide this tool over here and make sure you can get it over the notches. This piece will not come all the way out if you back it all the way out. This one will come all the way out, just so you know. I got it started on a smaller size, and then I back it out and move it up to the size I want to do. Get the notch in there, crank it down. You just turn this knob and get it going. I like to do it and back it out a little bit. And when you get to the end, the clutch will kick in and it'll lock. That's it. We've reached the end. So now we back it out. We'll back this all the way out. Unclamp it from here, slide it off, and you can see we've got our flared tube. There we go. There's a little bit of scratches on here from the lines on here, but pretty good. So there you go. Something like this would be great for HVAC work, refrigerator repair, handmade projects, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.